As we have already learned about this concept, but now let's take up some example related to that. So the pattern was number between square numbers, and the concept was there are 2n non-perfect square numbers. There are 2n non-perfect square numbers between two consecutive square numbers. So this was a statement. The statement says that there are 2n non-perfect square numbers. Okay, so let us take two consecutive square number in the form of n be n square, and then yes, n plus 1 whole square. So now let's suppose take n value be 1. Okay, so if I take n is equals to 1, so n plus 1 will be 1 plus 1, that will be 2. So 1 square and 2 square. Also you know 1 and 2 are consecutive numbers. So now how many non-perfect squares in between? We have 2, 3 in between 1 square and 2 square, or I can say 1 and 4. So we have total 2 non-perfect square, or we can say 2 into 1. It means that we have 2n non-perfect square. Can we write this in this form also, as we have already assumed n is equals to 1. Now let us take another example, 2 square and 3 square. Now you have to tell me how many numbers are there in between which are non-perfect square. Yes, it is 5, 6, 7 and 8. So how will find this? Just n is equals to 2 and 2 into 2, that is 4. So directly we can do for 4 non-perfect squares are in between. Now with the help of this concept you can easily find non-perfect square numbers between n into consecutive numbers.